A new dredger from Damen, the CSD450, with a 450mm 18-inch connection. This new vessel is everything you can expect from a new modern dredger. This dredger comes standard with a lot of features. A deck crane, an onboard toilet, air conditioning in the operating cabin, a control system that gives a complete visual overview of the dredger, an onboard generator and additional safety features. For this dredger, Damen has designed a new dredge pump, which ensures long discharge distances. And combined with these fast and strong sidewire winches, your operating costs will be lower. Special attention has been given to the serviceability. No raw water cooling, a modern hydraulic system and a very spacious engine room. This CSD450 is compact, but don't let that fool you. It can go deeper, it can go wider, it can discharge over a longer distance if you compare it to a similar dredger.